Hello, my friends. Look at this. Look what I have in my hands. My design team went absolutely, positively crazy with the add-on sets for this month. And guess what, club members? You get access to a bundle. What does a bundle mean at the Stamps of Life? It means you save more money. Wait a minute. So we have regular day, everyday low prices. Then we have the club prices. Then we have flash sale prices. Then we have bundle prices. You're getting so many discounts, I can't even count how many discounts you're getting. This bundle is amazing, and the best part about the bundles, my friends, they are only available to club members. Now, to see up close and personal all of these items, I want you to watch the other video, but really quick, I'm going to show you what's in this bundle. First of all, we're going to start with this stamp set right here. This is more tailgate to stamp. This is going to include our cute little sunflowers, another pumpkin, some different leaves, some gourds, a cute little orange crate if you want to. Lots of fun words to add onto your truck, which you really kind of need because they're awesome. Then, of course, there's dies that match, right? All of those items. Then there's more words because, you know, you can't just stop with that. You fill my heart with joy, sending you loads of love, wishing you the best day ever, full of joy and laughter. Truckloads of hugs for you, my friend. Gather all the goodness. Keep on going. Keep on trucking. It will get better. Hello there. Hi. Woo! And there's another one. There's another one really quick. Another stamp set. Oh my goodness, you guys. All perfect little words for the license plate. This amazing sign die, which you're going to fall in love with. And last but not least, this amazing background die. It's a country farm type background. You are going to love it. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Get that bundle ASAP because once it's gone, it's gone. Club members, make sure you're logged into the website so you can see it. Thanks so much. See you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.